our channel.
Welcome back to our channel.
So we are at Vastu Sangrahalaya, also known as Prince of Wales Museum, and let's go. Okay, so now we are at the entry gate, the main museum, and you need to get a ticket before entering here, and the ticket cost is 200 for a normal adult and 100 for any college or school student. So this is the vertical garden. A lot of plants here are packed closely together, which helps make a beautiful scenery and a boon in the city chaos and provides very fresh air and energy. This is the medicinal garden. Basically, all the medicinal plants are being planted here. So now, one thing we've noticed is that there are a lot of different types of gardens. This one is a historical garden, and a lot of historical plants are being planted here. And then, when we go into the museum, we can see Harappan series showing people tree and the Mughal era jade boat. It's all design. You all know jade is a plant, right? And the Madhubani painting made with natural dyes which comes out from plants, and this thing is really interesting. There's this school picnic of school students going on here, and मुझे मेरे स्कूल के दिन याद आ गए. अब तो मज़ा आ रही है.
Guys, this is the entry gate that we are showing our tickets. This is the audio guide. Kaki, hi bola.
This is a lotus medallion.
This is the ऐतिहासिक संबंध था.
Buddhist stupa at Amravati. This medallion is one of those. It was attached to that stupa and it's right here. So this is basically the whole map of the entire museum. On the left is the sculpture gallery. On the right, study of India and the ancient world. And in the north, it's Nalanda Learning Center. In the south, you have your entrance. And best part, this museum has artifacts and showpieces, like a lot of stuff from all over the world, whether it's ancient or modern. And we even have the Nalanda Learning Center here, learn more about the India's ancient past.
तो ये है वेसल जो हरप्पा सिविलाइजेशंस में यूज़ करते थे, और ये वेसल को वो लोग यूज़ करते थे ट्रेडिंग केस में, उसमें ऑयल भर के वो लोग लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस में लेके जाते थे.
This is a map of the very famous ancient Harappan town Dholavira, and now it's located in the Run of Kutch in Gujarat, and this is so pretty. This is the whole literal model of how the town was exactly like. With all its systems, water systems and everything shown here. Since we know Harappans were very expert urban planners, they planned the city very well, with a lot of different types of divisions, fortifications, and divided the whole city into the middle town, the lower town, the upper town, the castle, and east. South reservoir, east or west reservoirs, and then they even had residencies for the merchants, for the elite people, the different castle. Everything was very perfectly sorted out, very clear. What's up guys, क्या कर रहे हो?
तो ये स्क्रीन है यहाँ पे, और यहाँ से वी कैन सी कि वो जो ये प्लेसेस है हम उसको और अच्छे से रीड कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे है मिडिल टाउन, तो वहाँ पे वो लाइट लग चुकी है. इफ यू कैन सी.
Okay, so the place you select, it lights up.
और फिर हमें उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन भी मिलेगी यहाँ पे.
So this is the castle. This is the fort of the whole Dholavira civilization. That town right there in the middle is the middle town or the upper town. This town right here is the lower part of the city, the lower town. This is the eastern reservoir. This is the southern reservoir, and all those blocks you see right there are the cemeteries or burial grounds. And this river, so pretty man. This is the Manhar River, which flows in Gujarat. Good job, guys. I have zero sense in vlogging. हम लोग को vlogging का V भी नहीं आता है.
भी नहीं आता, कैमरा पकड़ने भी नहीं आता, बोलने भी नहीं आ रहा, सिवाय hey guys.
It's so awkward at this point. Okay, so unfortunately recording and taking pictures was prohibited in the art gallery of Indian and Asian world. But then the much we saw, it was literally our world around us portion.
Yeah.
Legit, whatever Sudhakar sir taught
Sudhakar
us,
sir.
Byzantine Empire and Greece, Mesopotamia, ancient India, Harappa, all of these stuffs.
That China.
Yes,
China
all the
trades.
ancient trading routes and everything of China. It is a really, really amazing experience, and I would literally recommend you guys to please at least
come
visit
here.
this place once in your life.
Please.
You will love it. It's just very
It's a
informative.
very great place,
it's
and
very-
we are having crazy experience.
and it's like very knowledgeable that we're getting to learn so much from
Yes,
this.
but
all
we
of
can't
this.
shoot. That's why.
It's very unfortunate we couldn't shoot, but then you should come here. This is a bookstore of all the historical and ancient stories and the trade routes and cities, the civilizations and etc. It's not just a store for just books, but then you can buy bags and a lot of different types of jewelries. You know what you call boho jewelry, you can get it from there. You also get a lot of small models of the all of those inscriptions and scriptures and statues you will see inside. Like how you go to Taj Mahal and you buy that small Taj Mahal model, you will get all of that stuff. You won't get Taj Mahal, you get whatever is there inside. And you can get tote bags, small diaries, wallets. It's a very famous tourist attraction, and we've genuinely, came up with a lot of tourists here from different countries and cities across
Guys,
India
there is
and the
different
world.
type of this
And that's
Shivaji.
why you can get all type of souvenirs, even the fridge magnets we go and buy everywhere.
Guys,
कुछ
see.
मिल जाएगा.
Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Going in the Indian sculpture section now.
Let's go, guys. Guys, wow.
Water bodies, animals.
Elephant and birds. Guys, over here.
Statue is Shai Vishnu, which is basically God Vishnu resting on a serpent or a snake before the creation of the universe. So we are now your Buddhist art gallery. You can see. So many different sculptures. Okay, so these sculptures are basically the statues of Gautam Buddha. We are at the Buddhist art gallery, and it's a small space, but then it has a lot of different sculptures and statues from all those places जहाँ पे Buddhists settle हुए थे, which is Japan or China, India, and it's so beautiful to see. And you have a lot of different statues of Buddha, different goddesses of that period, or who people used to, pray to and all of that stuff.
So ये जो यहाँ है इसके ऊपर बुद्धिस्ट सिटीज एंड साइंस के ऊपर है.
It shows all the Buddhist cities and all the sites wherever they were located all across India and beyond. We're at the Himalayan Art Gallery.
There are a lot of small galleries यहाँ पे.
And that's it, guys.
Yes.
The end of the whole vlog. This whole experience was really amazing.
Yes. And we really
memorable.
enjoyed it.
Yes, we genuinely did. But it's very tiring. Your legs will give up at one point. You'll be like, bus ho gaya. But then
बस होगा guys.
it's all worth it.
Yeah. We
Thank you
enjoyed
so much
a
for
lot.
watching. I'm so sorry for our
See you.
nonsense.
Bye guys.
Not see you. No.